Welcome to techrevolt, where innovation intersects with the future of food. Explore groundbreaking food technologies that are redefining our culinary landscape. Stay with us as we delve into the transformative impact of technology on the food industry. Automatic meat grinders. These marvels of engineering can churn through massive quantities of meat in seconds, transforming whole cuts into perfectly minced meat ready for further processing. With capacities ranging from hundreds to thousands of pounds per hour, these machines are the backbone of minced meat production lines. Its production ranges from 5,000 to 20,000 pounds per day. Mixers and blenders. After grinding, meat blends require thorough mixing to ensure consistent texture and flavor. Industrial mixers and blenders accomplish this task with precision, seamlessly combining meat with spices and other ingredients. Around 5,000 to 15,000 pounds per day can be processed every day. The pasta extrusion prodigy. Crafting homemade pasta has never been easier thanks to this pasta extrusion machine with interchangeable Ds. It produces an array of pasta shapes, from spaghetti to penne, ensuring every dish is a culinary masterpiece. Automated pork slicers. These machines slice through pork cuts with razor-sharp precision, generating uniform slices of bacon, ham, and other pork products at mind-boggling speeds. Equipped with advanced sensors and cutting mechanisms, they optimize yield and minimize waste. It processes 10,000 to 30,000 pounds of pork per day. Pork deboning machines. Removing bones from pork cuts is a labor-intensive task, but not for these automated deboning machines. Using advanced robotics and cutting-edge technology, they extract meat from bones with unmatched efficiency, streamlining the pork processing workflow. Can debone around 8,000 to 25,000 pounds of pork per day. The sauce simmering sensation. Perfect for large-scale production, this sauce simmering machine stirs and heats sauces to perfection, infusing flavors and aromas that tantalize the taste buds. From marinara to Alfredo, it brings sauces to life with ease. Sausage linking machines. Crafting sausage links by hand is a painstaking process. But with automated sausage linking machines, it becomes a breeze. These machines form, link, and portion sausages at lightning speed, ensuring uniformity and consistency in every batch. Capable of producing 10,000 to 40,000 sausages per hour, translating to hundreds of thousands of sausages per day. Vacuum sealers. Once sausages are formed, they require proper packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Vacuum sealers accomplish this task by removing air from the packaging, creating an airtight seal that preserves flavor and quality. Around 10,000 to 30,000 sausages packaged per day are done with it. The ice cream churning champion. Indulge in creamy delights with this ice cream churning machine. With its precise temperature control and rapid churning action, it produces velvety smooth ice cream in a variety of flavors, satisfying even the most discerning palates. The bread slicing sorcerer. Achieve uniform slices every time with this bread slicing machine. Adjustable thickness settings ensure perfect slices for sandwiches, toast, and more, making it a must-have for bakeries and kitchens alike. The cereal mixing marvel. Mix and blend cereals with ease using this specialized machine. Its rotating drum and gentle agitation ensure even distribution of ingredients, resulting in perfectly mixed cereals that are ready for packaging. The spice grinding savant. Unlock the full flavor potential of spices with this grinding machine. Its high-speed blades pulverize spices into fine powders, intensifying aromas and enhancing the taste of dishes with a single grind. The yogurt fermentation wizard. Achieve perfect yogurt every time with this fermentation machine. Precise temperature control and incubation settings allow for optimal fermentation. Resulting in creamy yogurt with the ideal texture and tanginess. High-pressure processing machines. HPP machines utilize intense pressure to eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving the natural taste and texture of meat. By subjecting meat products to extreme pressure levels, these machines extend shelf life without the need for additives or preservatives. Typically, processes thousands of pounds of meat per day. Thank you for joining us. If you found the video engaging, please express your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing.